Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines I've applied before starting recording this video, because I want to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see at the very bottom of this, we've got reset settings. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so confirm it with OK. We just got back to the camera, and as you can see, you could see that the grid lines immediately disappear, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera app in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.